Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss how to press and peel cotton hats with perfect results. To start this project, I am going to print a small graphic that was sent over from the Sawgrass design tool. This project is a 100% cotton hat and a lighter colored image, so I am going to make sure to select the appropriate settings within Sawgrass print utility before printing. I'll make sure to leave adjust for light colors selected and will choose cotton as my product material. I have also centered the design on the page so that I can easily cut and position the project when time to do so. This design will be pressed at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds using a hat press. Because it is cotton, it is important to press with a high amount of pressure. I also recommend pre-pressing the hat for a few seconds to remove any excess moisture from the material. When pressing onto a hat, it is important to flatten out the surface and remove all wrinkles to ensure no wrinkles interfere with the transfer. If you see any dust on the substrate, you should lint roll the material before pressing as well. Once the hat is finished pressing, quickly peel back your paper and your project will be complete. That's all for today. For more information about VersiFlex projects, I encourage you to visit the Learn page on the Sawgrass website. See you next time.